Did you know that the keto diet was originally developed in the 1920s to treat epilepsy? Today, it's one of the most popular diets worldwide. This high-fat, low-carb diet, once a medical tool for neurological disorders, has evolved into a go-to strategy for weight loss. Its surge in popularity in recent years owes much to its reputed benefits and quick results. But is it more than just a trend? So what exactly is this diet that has taken the world by storm? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It drastically reduces carbohydrate intake and replaces it with fat. So how does this work? Well, it's all about the change in your body's energy source. You see, by default, our bodies break down carbohydrates into glucose for energy. But when carbs are scarce, as they are in a keto diet, the body has to find an alternative source. That's where fat comes into play. The body starts to break down stored fat into molecules known as ketones, leading to a metabolic state called ketosis, hence the name keto. Now, what goes on the keto menu? Typically, you'll find foods high in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and fish, along with low-carb veggies. You'd limit or avoid foods high in carbs like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. It's a unique approach indeed. But is turning your body into a fat-burning machine healthy? The keto diet can lead to significant weight loss and improvements in health markers like blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It's a plan that shifts your body's fuel source from glucose to ketones, leading to a state of ketosis. This can result in weight loss and improved heart health. Some studies even suggest potential brain benefits, such as sharpened focus and reduced migraines. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. The initial transition can trigger a collection of symptoms known as the keto flu, which includes nausea, fatigue, and headaches. Also, since the diet is low in certain fruits, vegetables, and grains, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not properly managed. Plus, there's a potential for increased heart disease risk if unhealthy fats are consumed instead of healthy ones. The keto diet is not for everyone, and like any diet, should be followed under the guidance of a healthcare professional. The keto diet, like any diet, has its pros and cons. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a tool that can be tailored to individual health needs. Before diving into this or any diet, remember to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your personal wellness goals. For more information on natural nutrition and training, click the first link in the video description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness insights.